You don't need a six-figure salary to reach financial freedom. In fact, many people who are financially secure don't earn huge paychecks. They've simply learned how to make their money work for them, and that's exactly what we're going to look at today. In today's video, we'll look at a step-by-step plan that can completely change your financial life in just 6 months. It's a clear, month-by-month system that has helped thousands of people stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building real wealth. Month 1. Face your finances head on. Have you ever avoided checking your bank account after a weekend of spending, or ignoring a credit card statement because you knew it wouldn't be good news? This is called the ostrich effect, when people avoid uncomfortable information, especially around money. But here's the truth. Avoiding your finances doesn't make the problem go away. It actually makes things worse. Small issues begin to pile up, stress builds in the background, and soon it all feels out of control. The good news, once you've faced your finances, things start to change. Anxiety turns into clarity. So this first month is about taking control. Know your 4 core numbers. There are only 4 numbers that you need to be tracking right now. 1. Net income. How much you take home after taxes. 2. Monthly expenses. Rent or mortgages, bills, groceries, transportation, anything essential to daily life. 3. Savings. Money that you're already saving or investing. And 4. Fun stuff. These are the enjoyable things, like eating out, Netflix, shopping, hobbies. This step might be uncomfortable. You might realize you're spending way too much on takeout or subscriptions than you thought. But that awareness gives you power. Use a budgeting app like EveryDollar or Good Budget, or you can make a spreadsheet to help. The key is to make it simple, because less friction means you're more likely to stick with it. Month 2. Build your first safety net. Now that you know your core numbers, your goal this month is simple. Save 1 month's worth of your essential expenses. Let's say your expenses totaled $2,500. That becomes your goal to save. Yes, it might sound like a lot, but this one step will already put you ahead of most people. The hardest part, your brain. We're wired to want rewards now, which makes saving feel like a loss. Here's a mindset shift you need to be thinking about. You're not losing money, you're buying freedom. Cut back hard this second month. Cancel any unused subscriptions, cook at home as much as you can, and hit pause on all non-essential items. If saving a full month's worth is too much, take 2 to 3 months to do this instead. Just be honest with yourself. Don't stretch the timeline to justify spending more. The faster you're able to do this, the faster you can break free from that paycheck to paycheck cycle. Month 3. Kill high-interest debt and build your emergency fund. Most people try to save and pay off debt at the same time and get nowhere. That's because they treat all debt the same. But not all debt is equal. There's good debt, like mortgages or student loans, and then there's bad debt, like credit cards or payday loans. So here's your plan. 1. List all of your debts by interest rate, highest to lowest. 2. Focus on paying off anything that has over 8% interest first. 3. Use the leftover money from month 1's tracker to aggressively pay those down. Once the high-interest debt is gone, shift your focus to continuing to build your emergency fund. This is that safety cushion for when life throws you a curveball. Start with 3 months of essential expenses if your job is stable, or 6 months if your income is unstable. Keep this money in a high-interest savings account. That way it's easy to access, but not so easy that you'll spend it on impulse. Month 4. Start investing while topping up your emergency fund. A lot of people think that you have to be rich to invest, which is not true. The earlier you start, the more wealth that you'll build over time. So start here. 1. Max out your 401k. If your employer offers retirement matching, contribute enough to get the full match. Remember, this is basically free money. 2. Open a tax-advantaged account like a Roth IRA. These accounts let your money grow tax-free. 3. Invest in broad market funds. Use index funds or ETFs like the S&P 500. Over the past 20 years, they've averaged around a 10.5% return. And 4. Balance saving and investing. Keep building your emergency fund while investing. You might start with 70% savings and 30% investing, and then shift to 50-50, and eventually focus fully on investing once that emergency fund is completely set up. Month 5. Increase your income. Every job should give you one of two things: a way to learn more or a way to earn more. If you're not getting either, it's probably time to take action. That could mean negotiating a raise, switching to a better paying job, or building some kind of a side income. Switching jobs is often the fastest way to grow your salary. But if you're not ready to leave your job yet, that's okay. You could still try freelancing, selling a skill, or starting a small online business. Even earning an extra $200 to $300 a month can speed up your savings and investing goals. Month 6. Automate and optimize everything. Ever feel mentally drained by the end of the day? That's called decision fatigue, and it's why we tend to make poor choices like skipping the gym, ordering takeout, or ignoring finances. That's where automation comes in. Step 1. Automate your money. Set up direct debits for things like rent, bills, insurance, and debt payments. This avoids late fees and it helps to protect your credit score. Set up automatic transfers to your saving and investment accounts. This ensures you're paying yourself first before you spend on anything else. And use a separate account for card or everyday spending so you know exactly when you hit your limit. Step 2. Check in and adjust. Your finances aren't set it and forget it. Review your plan regularly. Has your income gone up? Then you can increase your savings or investments. Have your goals change? Adjust where your money is going. And stay educated. New tools, tax strategies, and investments pop up all the time. Financial freedom isn't about earning more. It's about using what you have wisely. In just 6 months, you can take control of your money, reduce stress, and build a strong foundation for long-term wealth. It starts with facing your finances head-on, building an emergency buffer, cutting out some bad debt, and developing habits that grow your money automatically. The key is consistency, not perfection. Whether you're saving your first $1,000 or starting to invest, every step that you take moves you closer to financial independence. Keep learning, keep adjusting, and remember that small intentional changes can create massive results over time. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to learn about the real value of owning a home, then check out this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.